And I said, I would it. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. She said, well, like I'm on top. She said, konnichiwa. She said, why, they're my friend. She said, why do you wanna? And she says, I would it. And I said, I would it. No matter where I go, you know I love them all. Hello guys, and welcome to the Valentine Pam Cam. I think he just cracked a raw egg. Tico, stop it, you're cracking a raw egg. Okay, so we're at Didi Blunk's house getting ready to go on the boat. And we have some other family members. You're going to be on it.
Okay.
You're going to be on it.
Okay.
No.
Go ahead.
It's a video.
It's a video?
It's going on the internet.
Oh my goodness!
And so everybody can see it.
Mira, ven acá.
Hello, about your girlfriend. Tell mommy and the whole YouTube family tell them the details about your girlfriend.
Tell us the details about your girlfriend.
Does she have brown hair? What color eyes does she have? What's her...
Hi, little friend. Hi. This is my sister-in-law's dog.
Hello, little
So cute.
sister-in-law puppy.
Hi. You like him or her? It's a girl, right?
From the outside.
She's a little cutester. Yes, you are. She's so cute.
Now I can whip.
Hi, Erika.
Yeah.
Now I can whip. Mommy nene. Now I can whip. Now mommy nene. Now I can whip. Mommy nene. Ooh, watch me. 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 Ooh, do the stanky leg. I don't want to do it all.
You're so funny. You guys all do these funny, cute little dances. We didn't have those dances when I was little. Our dances were better. Do the Running Man. Come on, everybody does it.
This is how Mom does the Running Man.
You're sure? I do not look like that.
Yeah, you do these.
Not even close. Now you show me how you think you're supposed to do it. Back up a little bit though so they can see you. Here we go. Let's see the new dance. Do you have enough room?
Yeah, I have enough room. I'm not even gonna move.
Okay. What is that? I am so hungry right now. What is that called? Hangry? I am hungry. I have not eaten breakfast. And oh great, my car is not starting. That's not good.
Announce! Listen to me!
All right, hold on.
Oh, just take it off.
Oh gosh. All right. So we're about to go out on the boat with my sister-in-law and Albert's aunt and uncle and the kids, and we have lots of food, but I'm hungry. I have not eaten breakfast. The kids ate breakfast, but I didn't get anything, which was not a good idea. I am starving right now. And everybody knows I get angry if I do not eat. So I guess that's hangry, people say, hangry. Anyway.
Don't kill the cows. This is why I have no animals.
I'm gonna follow them. Oh, it's hot.
Sweet meat barbecue flavored.
Look at that eating that honey bun.
Eat them!
That don't need that honey.
This is my husband that says he eats healthy. Albert, what's in your hand? Honey buns. Show them what you're eating. That's okay.
Can you edit on your computer?
Yep.
No, you can't. Okay.
Man, what was the lightsaber?
This is not what I wanted to eat, but It sure is good.
What is that?
Snacks for mommy.
I want to see it. Can I have it?
No sharing.
like a football.
Please.
So if you like a football,
Mm.
you know how like this girl is.
What does that smell? That stinks. Pork rinds. Ugh. I like them.
So if I could throw you like a football.
Let me put it. Let me have some.
Not
Please,
sharing.
Mama. Just a little
When
bit.
you're a mom, you have to hide food from your kids.
Mom, please.
And you're not required to share.
Please.
Mm-mm.
Please.
No.
Just a little bit.
I share everything with you guys.
Mama.
I'm not sharing today.
May you please? May you please share
Yeah.
with me, Mother? Then I'll make you smell this.
Oh. Okay, I'll share.
May
Here,
you please share, Mom?
split it.
Okay.
Take it. I'm still gonna eat
And
it.
the
I'm
mama
still
bird.
gonna eat pork rinds. Here. Don't get out of the car. Do not get out of the car.
I just need to tell Manuel something.
No.
Wait, 1 second.
This is the
Come on,
hand.
Berto, stop being like that.
The hand that's reaching for the pork rinds.
You go
Look,
get
he's mad.
Yeah, no, you go get.
He's getting in.
Come on.
Getting
Yeah,
in.
you gonna give me some soda?
What? I'll get it for you. I'll get it. Come back.
Where did you get here?
Oh, he's mad.
Where did you get here?
He's mad.
You gotta give me some soda.
Look how mad he
No,
is.
you gotta give me some soda.
Daddy's mad because we didn't give him the pork rinds.
Do you know what to do with the
No soda for you.
Food makes people angry. We get angry with food. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna try to record.
Okay. Everybody's in. Everybody has their seatbelts on. We're gonna move the vehicle.
I see.
Guys, sit back. Please get your seatbelts on. Albert, you should give him the pork rinds. It's only fair. No, we're gonna. He's pretty good.
It's not bad.
He's gonna back it in now.
How he does it though.
He's gonna have to wait though. There's somebody down there.
Mommy, you know what happens if people do that?
Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón, dale. Vamos a pegarnos como animales. Salud.
Look at these two out on a boat, and they're on an iPad and an iPhone.
Piensa que como te estoy haciendo lo que hacía
Doing musically.
como tú me.
Hi guys. Say hi to YouTube. YouTube.
Si quieres.
Show Mama. Okay, we're back from the lake now. Chico's in Titi Von's house playing video games. He's had a nice shower, right? Look at my sister-in-law. Do it again. Woo! Okay, do Fox 5 News.
This is Fox 5 News. And who is your family? You. And then who is your mom and dad? What's their names? Like, their real names. Mom and dad is my mom and dad.
Yeah, but he's just play along because he's doing an interview, so play along.
I'm saying, look.
Answer you have to answer it.
That's what I'm saying. Well, that's my family, so you just answer the question.
Okay, so ask her a
Well
different
done.
question.
What school did you go to when you were 10?
Anderson Elementary in Texas, Conroe, Texas.
Okay.
Ask Titi Von a question.
How old are you? when
¿Cuántos años tú tienes?
I mean, what was the first school you went to?
What was your first school?
Camarones 4.
Okay. Ask questions.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you both a question. Hold on.
And not something about my crush.
Okay, I'm not gonna ask you about your crush.
Okay.
If you were the president, what would you change about the United States, and how would you do that?
I would change how the people act because some of the people that are here, they don't treat other people nicely. Like in the poor people, people just beat. People don't even care about them. They just look at them and they start driving off and like people. And then there's also one other thing I would change. I would change how people use their materials because people just throw away stuff, and then that just goes to the Pacific garbage patch. And the Pacific garbage patch is already an ocean filled of garbage, and we can't keep doing that. We should recycle because if you have plastic, put it in the recycling bin. People can make that into new plastic, so other people can use it, and they will clean it. But other people just throw it in the trash, not thinking of what they're doing to our planet.
That's right. That is a very good answer. I think you might make it to the next round. Antonio, you're the next candidate up. If you become president, what would you change about the United States, and how would you go about making those changes?
One thing I would tell bad people to shut their beeswax. And those people will need one more chance. Not the one more chance. Because poor people don't have anything, so I would give the poor so they have something to do. And they won't be poor, they would be like everyone else.
What would you do for them? Would you give them a job? Would you give them an education? No, he said he would give them something to do. What would you give them?
I would give them anything that they wanted.
Well, what if they want $1 million? You can't give them $1 million.
I have to. I'm a nice kid, and it's bucket change. It's bucket.
It's bucket change?
It's bucket change, baby.
Oh, okay, I see.
That's me.
And what would you change about the education in America? What do you think could be done better in the school?
I think better if there should be like a gym teaching people how to fight. Like they give them boxing gloves, then they like get bohemians, not like bohemians, like
Like
things.
learning self-defense.
Yeah, like they get those things where you like punch at the gym. It's not
Called a punching bag. So you want them to learn self-defense against bullies.
Okay, yeah, because if they do self-defense, then they're like a popular kid and they will be popular, and they could be like a cop, and they would be like something like more than a cop, like a VIP.
A VIP is a great thing to be.
V is for very, and I is for important, and P is for person. VIP means very important person. I would also change, the lunch. not that it's bad, just like, because people, like, I feel bad.
Would you have healthier food?
Yeah, I would have very healthy food. I would, like, for breakfast, I would, like, get, I would give them, like, just regular cereal, or, like cereal,
What about oatmeal?
apples, oatmeal,
Talk into the mic.
and, like, other healthy stuff, like, because, like, sometimes they give you pancakes that look like funnel cakes. I mean, I don't like it. I mean, I do like it, but, like, it's just, like, not healthy.
Okay, next question.
Do you think that it would be a good idea to take away all homework?
No. Even though I do hate homework, I mean, you have to do it. And if you don't do it, I mean, it's just bad because then you're just going to get in trouble. And if we didn't have homework, who would be in ACE? Who would be?
Can't hold it back.
Wait, hold on. Take it away.
Come on here.
Go, go, and go.
No,
Okay, so ask me the
wait,
next
wait,
question.
hold on. Okay, here it comes. Then we'll have another question.
Like it.
Mountain now. The who's head on the mountain now.
Ya saben la palabra.
Yeah, yeah. Hold it. Don't touch the screen. You must stop.
The wind is howling out, swirling storm. Keep it in let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl. Always want to do. Still don't feel, don't let them go. And now let go. Let go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Hear your eyes say what they're going to say. Let the story rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. Control me, can't get to me at all.
Fox 5 News now. Please?
Wait, what?
Oíste.
Antonio, if you were to become the president of the United States, what would you change about the school lunch?
I would change. They would need lots of fruit, lots of everything, except lots of chicken. But they would get chicken on Fridays, and they would get ice creams on Mondays. They just need $1 for ice cream, and the ice cream would be at the end of the lane. And after that, then the lunch would have to slide for the burritos and everything. Every school should have broccoli with ranch and carrots and everything. That's good.
Okay.
Everyone thinks that's like vegetables. And so only meat on Monday, because Monday has an M, so it's like meat day.
Okay, that sounds fantastic. So you're basically saying that you would give them broccoli and ranch, and then on Mondays the lunch would be just ice cream, right? Ice cream for everyone.
Ice cream, and it's also a meat.
It also has an M, so it's kind of like ice cream and meat day.
Oh, okay. Sophie wants one more question.
Not for
Sophia.
lunch, though.
Okay. If you became president of the United States, what would you do to fix the recycling problem in the United States? Would you make it a law that everyone has to recycle or they get a fine and go to jail? Do you think that's a good idea?
Well, it wouldn't be fair to them, because maybe some people that just moved into this country or state, they wouldn't know, and if they just littered, it wouldn't be fair to them if they went to jail. So I would at least give them 3 tries, and if they do not pay attention the first time, I would give them a warning, which is the second try. And people who don't litter the third time, they will
Take them to jail.
well, we would just give them maybe like a fine or something, but people people that don't recycle, people just they don't do anything, and people just litter, and then our world becomes
Then watching movie, no?
a trash can, and we're just throwing it in the ocean, and then when we eat fish, we will die.
That's
Because
true.
fish,
Eat
basically,
chemicals.
a turtle, you see a turtle's here, and a trash bag is here. They think it's jellyfish. The trash
We're
bag.
leaving, Tonyo.
They're like, that's a yummy snack. And then the turtle.
Grab that
¿Qué hora
turtle.
es? Está
Then the turtle would eat it, and then it would get like sick, and like people who eat turtles, they would get sick and die because they just ate.
Okay, contestant, you're running out of time. You have 5 seconds left.
They just ate a bag. They just ate a bag from Kroger.
All right, candidate, your time's up. Thank you for answering that question with such eloquence. You are going to be a future superstar in the United States of America.
Can we get
Say
one of
goodbye to everybody in the United States. Say goodbye, United States. Give her a vote. Give her a thumbs up. Subscribe to her channel. Vote for her in the presidential election 2028. Amen. Peace out.